pilot figure. Yo, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got the finished product of Nether Emperor from SNAA. So I think this is my first time to review an SNAA kit from the Emperor series, because I already built the first 3 emperors, the Fire Lord, Martial Emperor, and the Blade King, but I haven't reviewed yet those 3. And since this is the latest kit that I have, that I'm very happy to review, so this is the first time I will do so for the Emperor series. So for me, this is the greatest or the most sleek design, or my most favorite design among the 4 variants of the Martial Emperor or the Emperor series, because this is very simple, straightforward, and sleek looking. As you can see, there are no giant backpacks included in this kit, except for the armaments that is attached on the back, which is 2 kinds of blade or sword, one with scabbard, one without the scabbard or the open blade. And we got this rifle, a very nice rifle. So this is attached at the back, and there are no other extravagant armaments included on the kit. No effect parts, no excessive blades or weapons, and no bizarre looking wings or other ammos compared with the other first 3 Emperor series. So there we go, we got the 2 sets of accents for this kit, which is the green one and the yellow one. But since I don't like sticking on one accent, so I decided to why not mix the 2. The left one to have this green accents, and the right one with the yellow accent, so it will not make me had a hard time deciding which accents to use. So there we go, we got this kind of pattern here that I did. And to be honest, I don't like this kind of green, because it reminds me of the Fire Lord design, so I hope they did something different for this color. Anyway, let's go with the style of this kit. There's 2 kinds of headgear for this kit. The one with the V-fin, the yellow one or the blue one you can use, or this one with the mask style of V-fin. So this is not the real face. So the real face is underneath this mask, but I don't like to remove this because it's very hard to apply, and whenever I try to remove, it's a bit stuck. So I don't like forcing things here. I might break the tiny peg attached there, so I'll just keep it like this. So the face is in mask 1, so it's okay for me. I much like the mask face here. And for the torso can bend like that, and it can rotate like this up to this far. And we got a pilot figure, the seated pilot figure inside, but there we go, it's a bit complicated to open, so I might use this scissor here. So there, it can open here upward, and there you go. You can see the pilot. So it's very dark here or there in this angle. Okay, you can see that white thing there inside, so that's the pilot. So it's the very first time also that an SNAA kit for the Emperor series to have this pilot figure included inside the kit. So this is a special one for us collectors. So it's the first time to have this pilot figured model kit here from the Marshall or the Emperor series. And for the arms can rotate 360 degrees like that, but of course if there are weapons at the back, you cannot do that. So the arms can also raise up to this far, and the elbows can bend 180 degrees. And I applied Dalin decal hand for this kit because I like this to have this kind of master grady hand. So there we got this hands here. Okay. For the waist here, so we got this front skirt, can raise up to this far. The side skirt is a bit loose, so this is very different from the first three kits where the side skirts and front skirt are a bit tight, and the butt flap here are all on hinge like that. So the legs here can kick up to this far and kick back up to that far. It's very dynamic compared with the other three, and it can split nicely up to this far. So just be careful, because if you forcefully split it more further, it will make the side skirt pop up. And for the knees here, it can flex double jointed like this, and there you go. You can see that the armor here separates, and there. For the gimmicks here on the back, we got flaps on the thruster here, and for the feet, we got the ankle guards moving upward and downward, and also the front ankle guards can move upward and downward. For the feet, it can do plantar flex and plantar extend like that. Can also swivel side to side like that, and the toes can bend a bit. There we go, the tiptoe. For the weapons, we can detach the rifle on this peg here, and this peg also you can remove that and replace with, okay, but it's a bit tight there. You can replace it with peg for the action base stand. And for the sword here, the blade, you can remove this on the peg here, okay, And so let's discuss about the weapon. So we got here a very straightforward gun. So the rifle here can extend like that, and it will reveal this kind of clear plastic part there. So it's a very nice rifle. And there we go. Here we got a lens there, so it means it's a bit laser rifle. And there we go, we got this kind of sword attachment. So there at the top we have this scabbard, and if we pull out the sword, so the sword here is all white. So I just wish that SNAA made this a bit grayish or silverish, or injection gray or silver, or why not chrome also, to make it more deadly looking. And for this other blade here, we got this clip here, so you can remove it. So we got this kind of blade, and it can extend like that to make it long, and retract like that to make it short. So for the attachment, we got two kinds of support here. So I did not remove the supports for me to easily show it in this review. So this peg here, or this support here, is for the sword, and this peg like structure here on the front is the support for the rifle. So there we got both arms with this kind of support. So the one on the left and the right also, so they got different angles. So for the sword, you can clip this handle on the peg there, and have the Dalin hand grab it like that. So there, even though if I don't put pegs on the hand, the sword can be secured and securely handled by the Dalin hand because of this support. And for the gun, I mean, you need to put the peg on this slot there, okay, to support it there, okay. And the hand can grab the fingers on the handle, and there we go. Oops, it's not secured, but I need to push it further, okay, like that. So there we go, the sword and the blade, or the gun and the blade, can be handled effectively because of those supports. And there, can do nice poses for this. I will not do many extravagant poses for that, just to make this review simple. So there we go, we got this very interesting and cool looking, simpler, sleek design for SNAA Emperor series model kit. And for me, this is much better compared with the first three. So this is a must build and beginner friendly kit, and you need to buy this even if you're new in Gunpla community. So for size comparison, let's compare it quickly with the 1/100 scale master grade Gundam here from Bandai. So this is the average master grade that I have right now, and this is the Hayakushiki So the SNAA kit here are very tall compared with this one. So thank you so much for watching this review, and see you next time.